tip number 4 is about getting enough fibre. For adults, this means getting around about 30 grams each day. Most of us only get around about 20. For children, we use age plus 5 to 10 grams each day to make sure our kids are getting enough fibre as well. Now, it's for bowel health, but also fibre in food can help make you feel fuller for longer. Sometimes it can take longer to chew high fibre foods, and it can also influence meal size. So if you're trying to manage your weight or your waistline, eating more fibre can help you cut down your meal size. So the big thing about fibre is really about how your bowel is working. Now, your bowel is actually a long muscle that weaves its way right through your midsection. We know if you're getting enough fibre, you're going to be going to the bathroom regularly. For people, though, that get less than 30 grams of fibre each day, it means that the time that it takes for waste to move through your bowel can be extended. And sometimes that's the reason why people aren't regular. So making sure you get enough fibre and enough fluid to balance it out can really make sure you get a nice regularity to your bowel movement.